talking about magnesium glycinate, and I know that this is a confusion for a lot of people, like when to take it. And I'm passionate about magnesium because I love magnesium products. A lot of people get confused. They think that all magnesium products are same, but they're different. So first is magnesium glycinate. So why is magnesium glycinate good? It's one of my favorite salts of magnesium, especially for women in the perimenopausal age. It really helps with, first of all, muscle cramps. Second of all, sleep. During that time, sleep becomes a problem also, when you have hot flushes and things like that. Second, it helps reduce stress and anxiety. So it has a very calming effect on your nervous system if you're all over the place because of the hormones. And it is very highly absorbable. It's gentle on the gut, as I said. So, and the best time to take magnesium glycinate is in the evening time. And that's with the cramps. The typical dose is usually 200 to 400 milligram of elemental magnesium. Okay, yeah. So that's magnesium glycinate. The other salt is magnesium citrate. Now, magnesium citrate is very gut specific. I use it for constipation, even for patients who get colonoscopy. On the day of the colonoscopy, if they tend to be constipated, we use magnesium citrate. This is very well absorbed, and it also can affect your kidneys. So not like in a healthy individual, but if you have a low GFR or if you have problems with kidney, it's best to avoid magnesium citrate. It's very well absorbed and it pulls water into your stool, so it's more of an osmotic laxative. And when to take magnesium citrate is usually in the evening, and that can help stimulate a bowel movement in the morning. Loose stools, then you should definitely avoid magnesium citrate because it's very gut specific. Okay. The other one is magnesium malate. This is a very underrated, like a lot of people don't use it, but it's best for fatigue. A lot of people have fatigue, muscle cramps. And if you are somebody who's dealing with like fibromyalgia, like, pain syndrome, then it helps because it helps the mitochondria to produce more energy. Okay. And the magnesium, because it increases your energy, this is the one that you would take early morning or even like towards the afternoon time, because it will give you a little bit of a kick of energy. So that's the best time to take magnesium malate. The other one, which I also love, and especially my patients with gut issues, because your gut is also connected to your brain. A lot of people have brain fog because of the brain-gut connection. The another one is magnesium threonate or L-threonate. So if you're dealing with brain fog, especially after eating food, or if you have like memory issues, you are not able to focus properly, there is some cognitive issues, then this is the only magnesium salt that's going to cross the blood-brain barrier effectively. So it really helps with brain fog. The day to take it is in the morning, or you can split it. Because a lot of people have afternoon crash, with the brain fog. So you could do one half of it in the morning and then another half in the afternoon time. Because there's also something that you should do in the morning time. Then the other one, which a lot of people get confused with, is magnesium oxalate. Magnesium oxide, not oxalate. Yeah. So magnesium oxide is also for constipation, but I would be careful with this one because you should only use it as very, very short term because it's very poorly absorbed and it's just like laxative, and it also gives you a lot of cramps. So this is not my favorite one, but if somebody has constipation, you can use it as a short term effect. Okay. Now, there is another one which I want to tell you, especially if you're dealing with muscle cramps. Magnesium chloride. Be very careful with taking it orally because a lot of people cannot tolerate magnesium chloride by mouth. But if you have muscle cramps, you can have a topical one, like an oil spray, and then just spray like in your calf area or wherever you have cramps. So if you have localized cramps in one area, you can spray magnesium chloride oil. The other one is Epsom salt bath, which is magnesium sulfate. That's also very good. So if you have cramps at night or just before morning, at night, you could have a bedtime routine where you go in your bathtub with Epsom salt and like soak your calf muscles and your whole body like inside. So that like, especially your feet and cough, if you don't want to go inside whole, you can just put your feet and cough in a bathtub with Epsom salt. Also after exercise. So if you do a lot of like muscle training and strength training, your muscles are sore. So after exercise, also you can soak your body in like Epsom salt. That will help to reduce cramps and what do you call it? The soreness that happens after exercise.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are like all different salts of magnesium.